My name is Sanvi, and today we are doing a homemade water filter experiment. Here are the things we need: 2-liter soda can, fabric, and elastic. And the fabric is to go on top of the funnel, and the elastic is to hold it. Rocks, grass, scissors, pebbles, coffee filters, dirty water, and activated charcoal and tape. Now I'm gonna cut the bottle a little halfway, like right here, and to make the funnel shape. This is how it'll look once it's done. You need to put the funnel part inside the cut part. So now you're gonna take the fabric and tie it around the funnel, this part. Okay, so it'll look like that inside. Now you're gonna take the scissors and cut a little bit of the fabric off. So this is how it's gonna look after you cut it and elastic it. So now you're gonna take the funnel and put it inside, and you're gonna tape it. So now that I've taped it, I taped it so it could be extra secure, and now we're gonna actually start putting the filters. Okay. So now my first filter was the fabric. My second filter is gonna be the coffee filter. So if you want, you could leave it open, but you could also fold it. And you can just put it in like that. My third layer is gonna be activated charcoal. I don't know. Charcoal. This is kind of like sand. Since we didn't have sand, we used activated charcoal. For the fourth layer, we're gonna be adding some pink shiny pebbles. That should be enough. Add a little bit more, and that's good. So for the fifth layer, we're going to be adding some grass, which also works in filters. You might think it might make it dirtier, but it's actually pretty good to use. I'm just going to take out a little bit of the dirt in here. Okay, so now you can add the grass. Leaves also work, but I don't think you would want to be plucking the nice spring leaves. Okay, last layer, or sixth one, we're going to be adding rocks. You could really use anything around your house. These are the most common. Okay, now that's secure. Now I'm gonna be showing you the layers. So the first layer, fabric, then second layer, coffee filter, third layer, activated charcoal, fourth layer pebbles, fifth layer grass, and the last layer rocks. And now we're going to be getting the dirty water. Ooh, kind of heavy. I'm going to do this one on the ground here. Wait, I can't just do it here. And now you guys can see if it actually worked. Working. You can see the little drops are coming. Put a little bit more. Just enough so it won't overflow. I'm gonna shake it a little. Little raindrops. This is the water I used. And now, this is after we did all the filtering. And see, all the dirt got stuck up there. Still yellow, got yellow. So, still some bacteria. Well, this is not completely drinkable, but it's still potable. Thank you for watching this video. I really enjoyed it. And, well, this is a really fun experiment you could do.